po? First question po, paano niyo po na-maintain yung friendship niyo from first installment until now?
Paano na-maintain yung friendship? Yeah, Aubrey and I just like bond together kasi hindi naman yung AUDV yung last project namin eh. Currently, we're working on Carry On, bago namin Vivo On show, and may upcoming movie rin po kami, Rosario, sa napanood niyo po. And like, we just really maintain a good working relationship kasi we just both want success for ourselves at para okay mo din kami palagi.
Siguro na-maintain yung friendship namin. Pero fourth installment na po siya pumasok sa AOTV. Na-maintain siguro in a way na hindi lang kami hanggang taping. We hang out also outside. And yeah, parang ano rin eh, mas yung ginagawa namin, mas kinikilala namin yung sarili namin off-cam. So yun, thank you.
Last question po. Kahit na po patapos na po yung series, pero ano po yung core memories po na madadala nyo after this?
Ako, siguro madami eh. Pero feeling ko yung bond namin together every time na after media call. Isa yun sa mga core memories kasi hindi man kami nakakompleto doon, pero iba yung feeling. It's, every time we do that, parang naging virtual na siya. It's still very new to me kasi hindi talaga ako sanay na to party. Pero na-enjoy ko. So, magiging part siya ng core memories sa akin talaga.
Core memory ko po siguro yung V-Bar Kada po sa Araneta. Kasi yun po yung time na lahat kami kompleto nag-rehearse po kami sabay-sabay. Bihira lang po kami makompleto dahil po sa mga schedule namin. So kung kompleto kami, we just make the most out of it. So sinusuri talaga namin yung time na we're all here po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much now.